it's a fact that China and the United States are the two economic superpowers. Only if they agree can major global economic issues be resolved effectively and satisfactorily. Global warming is a case in point, where as recently as 2015, our two countries got together, took the lead at the Paris conference, and enabled the biggest step forward so far in international efforts to deal with climate change. That's hit a few bumps lately. That's unfortunate. I think that needs to get back together. We've now got a world economy that is threatened by high inflation in a lot of countries, including the United States, by the risk of a significant recession in a number of countries. China's own growth has slowed down a lot. We need desperately to have effective global economic leadership, restore the system, keep the economies moving in the right direction, and that's going to require a new vision, new cooperation, new policy initiatives between China and the United States.
Yeah, you outlined, and also in your, this opening remark, you talked about, we are in the world now. We have, deglobalization. We have, you mentioned the Huiyao trap. Well, you also mentioned in the book of Kinderberger, trap, and of course the things this mentioned about functional decoupling. We should really economically, we should probably, rather than decouple, we should strengthen that. But while probably maintain the differences and trying to accept each other as time goes on.